Well, good afternoon, Rita.
So far,
Well, thank you very much, and we're coming to you live from Gulu. This is the Gulu Magistrates Court and the Gulu High Court here, and we've seen the 36 suspects in the Arua saga. For all of you that remember that, where several people were arrested after the president's car was allegedly stoned. So today, the case has been adjourned until the 4th of July. That's when the magistrates, that's Imoranchint, will be giving his ruling, or after listening to several people giving their account of what really happened. And today, the defense lawyers had requested the magistrate so that their case can be taken to the constitutional case, citing some human rights abuses during the arrest of many people. And also the issue of property taken by the police during the arrest was high on the agenda, with the defense lawyers actually accusing the police of using some of the phones to call the relatives of the suspects. However, also the prosecution side had requested some time so that they can go and then peruse through several things so that they can come back and actually give a detailed account. But the most important thing, or something that came out that stood out of all today's proceedings, was that police actually said they don't have the car that belongs to Chadondo East MP Robert Chagulanyi. That's the Tundra. They say that the Tundra that they have doesn't belong to any person who is in court. With me here is the former MP, that's Honorable Michael Mavike, who is going to be digesting some of the court issues that have actually gone on inside there. Yes, Honorable Mavike, a very good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you all.
Yes.
Yes, we're keen on seeing where all this ends, because as it appears now, it is just about a deliberate ploy by government to divert us from the work we are doing. That is the work of trying to usher in a new regime for Uganda. As you see that this court matter has got not much merit when you really look at, when you really delve deep into it, when you look at it from the merit, on the merit side, we don't seem to have many things adding. One, we have had many precedents in the courts that once you torture suspects, once accused persons are tortured, then you cannot sustain any charge on them. Of course, the precedent of Kiza Besigye versus Attorney General has come out very clearly in court, and it's a basis upon which our council has applied that this matter be discontinued. We have also applied today that if this matter cannot be discontinued, then we have asked court to refer to the Constitutional Court, which is the second highest court in the land, for interpretation. I am sure that this matter cannot survive beyond the next 6 months. It can't really stand, and I am sure that this is going to fall by the wayside. You have also seen in court, police has come, the CID department has come over Arua Regional, and they have not been very firm. Neither have they been very clear about our application for having most of our belongings returned. I don't think they were properly prepared, and court has really given them 30 days to file documents relating to properties that belong to us in their custody. Of course, you can see that there has been a lot of mishandling of these properties, of our phones, of our vehicles, of our personal properties that are still in the custody of police. Police has only come out scantily with the records of the car. They have not been very clear about the records of our phones. They have not been clear about other personal belongings like jewelry, like watches, like rings, etc. So one thing I'm sure is that this government cannot sustain.
Okay, thank you very much. That's Honorable Mavike. So as I've told you earlier on, we shall be back here. That will be on the 4th of July. That's when we shall be back here for the ruling on this case. So back to you, Rita in studio. Ali Mivule for now, still here in Gulu.
Thank you so much, Ali Mivule, for that. That was a highlight on the infamous Arua 36 who are accused of treason that have actually appeared at the Gulu High Court this morning. The 4th of July will definitely keep you abreast on that. Over to the young people.